Discover the easiest way to refresh clothes you would like to wear again. FreshUp removes unpleasant odours with a wipe, whether it be body odour, smoke or food smell. Start and press the button for 1 second to switch on the FreshUp. White plasma light indicates it's ready to use. The movable activation bar and the plasma treatment area are on the bottom of the device. Gently press the activation bar onto the fabric to activate plasma. Purple light indicates that plasma is active. Keep pressing while wiping over the fabric to refresh it. Use the full width of the plasma treatment area by wiping sideways. The area needs to be in full contact with the fabric to remove odours. You can also refresh your clothes while wearing them. After treatment, you will notice a plasma smell. It is a natural byproduct of the plasma activation and fades away after a while. With a single battery charge, you can enjoy up to 60 minutes of total treatment time. Press the button for 1 second to turn the FreshUp off. A stylish sleeve helps to protect the device.